A Beautiful Mind is a captivating and moving film that tells the story of John Nash, a brilliant mathematician struggling with schizophrenia. The film takes us on a journey through Nash's life, from his early days as a promising student at Princeton University to his eventual diagnosis and treatment for his mental illness. One of the strengths of A Beautiful Mind is its ability to weave several different themes and genres into a cohesive and emotionally resonant narrative. On the one hand, the film is a biographical drama, chronicling the life of an important historical figure in the world of mathematics. A Beautiful Mind is a powerful and engaging film that tells the story of John Nash, a brilliant mathematician who struggles with mental illness. The movie begins by introducing us to Nash as a young graduate student at Princeton University, where he becomes obsessed with finding a groundbreaking mathematical theory that will make him famous. The film does an excellent job of conveying Nash's genius, obsessive nature, and growing paranoia and delusions. As the story progresses, we see Nash's mental health deteriorate, and the film becomes a poignant and heartbreaking portrait of a man struggling to hold on to his sanity. Russell Crowe gives a masterful performance as Nash, capturing his brilliance and torment with great sensitivity and nuance. We also see the toll that Nash's illness takes on his wife, Alicia, played brilliantly by Jennifer Connelly. What sets A Beautiful Mind apart from other films about mental illness is its ability to tell a compelling story while also shedding light on the complexities of the human mind. The movie shows us the beauty of Nash's mathematical genius but also the dark side of his mental illness. It forces us to confront the stigmas and misconceptions surrounding mental illness, and to recognize the humanity of those who suffer from it. At its core, A Beautiful Mind is a film about the power of the human spirit to overcome even the greatest obstacles. Nash's struggles with mental illness are heart-wrenching, but his determination to overcome his illness and reclaim his life is truly inspiring. The film reminds us that even in our darkest moments, we are capable of finding strength and hope. The cinematography in A Beautiful Mind is stunning, with beautifully shot scenes that capture the mood and atmosphere of each moment. The film's use of visual effects to represent Nash's delusions is also highly effective, immersing the viewer in his world and giving us a glimpse into the mind of someone with mental illness. Perhaps what makes A Beautiful Mind so memorable, however, is its portrayal of the human spirit in the face of adversity. The film does not shy away from the challenges and obstacles that Nash faces as he struggles with his illness, but it also shows the incredible resilience and determination that he possesses. This is a story of triumph over adversity, of the power of the human mind to overcome even the greatest challenges. Overall, A Beautiful Mind is a film that will stay with you long after the credits roll. It is a powerful and moving portrayal of one man's struggle with mental illness and a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. The film challenges us to confront our biases and stigmas surrounding mental illness, and see the humanity in those who suffer from it. It is a must-see for anyone who appreciates great storytelling and powerful cinema.